When you think of making money online, what comes to mind? Selling products, doing surveys, how about making YouTube videos? Becoming a YouTuber is one of the best options to earn passive income. Imagine helping thousands of viewers with informative videos. You change someone's life and make money from it. And that's just a little more than satisfying, don't you think? Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 10. Sign up for partner programs. Have you ever seen ads on other YouTubers' channels and wondered how it works? Well, let's tell you something about that. By enabling your channel for monetization, you could make money from turning on your Google ads. This allows Google and her partners to air ads on your channel, and in turn, you share revenue from them. For example, if your channel is about food, you can get ads tailored to your niche. You can get ads such as DoorDash or other food-related ads. But it does not mean that you cannot get other ads to play on your channel. When your fans watch the ads, you get a commission. The more people that watch the ads, the more revenue you earn. If you have more subscribers, you will have more watch time, which will earn you more money. Easy peasy, right? Well, not really. You have to work hard and be consistent even when you feel like giving up. Nothing good comes easy. But signing up for partner programs is one of the most popular ways to make money on YouTube. Number 9. Make tutorial videos. People love to learn new skills every day, and with YouTube getting 30 million viewers per day, it is obvious that this is one of the most preferred video channels worldwide. This means that you can be certain that people will watch a tutorial you have uploaded as long as it gives them value and solves their problem. For example, 5 Minute Crafts is a YouTube channel that teaches about DIY projects and has a whopping 74.6 million subscribers. Since it started back in 2016, it has achieved almost 21.7 billion views. This is because it gives value to the viewer and helps them learn a DIY skill that helps them save money. Don't get us wrong now, it takes hard work and consistency to achieve such mind-blowing success, but starting the channel is the beginning of great things to follow. Do not procrastinate on starting your YouTube channel, even when you feel like no one is going to watch it. Deliver value consistently, and you will be discovered with time. Before we keep going, make sure to stay focused, because the following tips are going to be a game changer for you. Number 8. Create sponsored content. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search in the entire world, with more than a third of all internet users using the platform? With that, both large and small companies have shifted their attention to the platform, which has allowed 90% of the users to learn about their product of interest on YouTube. For example, if you have a fashion channel, you might be approached by sponsors in the fashion industry to create awareness of the brand to your audience. This means that you integrate the sponsored product or brand in your video by one of several methods used in video sponsorships. This allows you to make money from the brand sponsor and also make money when your target audience watches your video, as well as advertising with Google AdSense. You can never go wrong with signing up with brand partners as long as you meet the criteria set by the Google monetization rule, which are 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months and a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. Number 7. Sell masterclasses. Are you so good at something that you feel like you're underpaid because your skills are too good for your current employment? Most people are afraid to leave their jobs for fear of financial setbacks. But if you're an expert in your skill, you can make good money by teaching it to other talented students. Teaching a skill to people that you are an expert in is called a masterclass. YouTube has a lot of masterclasses, and experts in their field make good money by teaching their skills to other people. For example, if you're a genius guitarist, you can create a masterclass and teach interested students how to become a magical guitar player like yourself. They enroll for your masterclass and set a fee or get introductory courses for free on YouTube. This allows more people to visit your channel, which allows you to make money on YouTube. If you have a lot of expertise in an area, don't sleep on your talent. Become a YouTuber and teach your skill to other people while earning money from it. Before long, you find yourself getting more subscribers and people that want to and run for your masterclass. Nothing like knowing that people are benefiting from a skill you're teaching, right? Number 6. Sign up for affiliate partnership. YouTube has over 2 billion users worldwide, with an average number of YouTube video views per day reaching a whopping 1 billion. Imagine that. This means that many people value the platform, and there's a huge potential audience that you can tap into and get earning. With YouTube affiliate marketing, you can generate some revenue by adding affiliate links to your YouTube videos. For example, if your channel is about baby products, you can do product reviews or tutorials, then leave a link that leads to the online storefront. For you to earn money, someone has to buy the products using your referral link, which earns you a commission. Like in the rest of the partnership programs, the more people that click on the link and use your referral code to buy the product, the more money you can earn. Affiliate programs allow you to earn money from selling the products that you are making videos about. If you're a beginner, you may feel overwhelmed because you don't have enough subscribers, but affiliate programs can help you make money by leading potential customers to purchase a product that they may need. Number 5. Sell your brand merch. Let's say you have your custom line of merchandise such as hoodies, spices, accessories, etc., and are looking to expand your business to reach a diverse audience. Did you know that selling your merch on YouTube can earn you good cash? That's right, you can sell your merch on YouTube and be pleasantly surprised at how many customers you can get as long as you have quality products. For example, if you have a channel that teaches people how to make money and have books on the same topic as well, you can encourage people to buy your book and put a link in your description to make it easy for your viewers to get the book. You can also sell customized hoodies and other merchandise such as bracelets, caps, among many other things. Besides making money from selling your own merch, you also earn money when you have reached the recommended watch hours and number of subscribers. Making money on a double scale has never been easier. Number 4. Set up a crowdfunding account. Crowdfunding has become popular on YouTube with many websites such as Kickstarter, Patreon, YouTube sponsorships, Indiegogo, among others, providing a platform to creators to start funding campaigns. Simply put, crowdfunding means encouraging a large number of people to donate small amounts of money towards a project you own. Some of these sites allow creators to do crowdfunding every month, which helps your audiences support your projects. It could be a one-off project such as raising funds for a movie you want to make, helping someone who's in need, writing a book, or raising funds for your community. Whatever the case may be, crowdfunding is one of the most popular ways to have fund drives. You can get money from your audience, and all you have to do is be transparent about your intentions with the funds collected, and your viewers will respect you for it. Becoming a YouTuber doesn't have to be a long, winding road. It can be a way to help people in need and help you earn money in the process. Number 3. License your content to the media. Have you ever seen a viral video clip being used by news channels or other media outlets? If your answer is yes, what you watched was a video that was licensed to the media in exchange for some money by the content owner. Sometimes you can create a video that goes viral overnight, and you find the media outlets are reaching out to you to get a slice of the pie. You can make good money by licensing your content to the media whenever it goes viral. If you are in the habit of creating viral content, you will be in the habit of making tons of money on your videos. If your videos are not getting enough attention from mainstream media outlets, don't fret. You can also use other marketplaces to list your videos, where the right people that need your video can discover and purchase your content. Exploring different ways of selling your content to media can help you sell your videos and also get noticed, which gives you more opportunities to thrive financially. Number 2. Ask your fans to be channel members. By asking your audience to become your channel members, it allows you to set up fan funding streams, which help you get donations from your fans. It is similar to crowdfunding, but while crowdfunding can be a one-off project, fan funding is ongoing and helps you get donations from your audience regularly. For example, if your viewers are your channel members, they pay a monthly fee, and in return, they get members-only benefits such as early access to your videos, behind-the-scenes access, among other members-only perks. Other ways to accept donations from your members include Buy Me a Coffee, YouTuber Super Chat used when doing live streams, etc. Find out what works for you and use it to receive donations from your viewers as a way of making money on YouTube. You will always find the ones that get value from your content that are willing to support you in any way that they can, including sending you financial support. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Be an Amazon influencer. Besides making videos, you can sign up for the Amazon Influencer program to recommend products to your audience. You can do Amazon product reviews and direct viewers to affiliate links, which helps you to earn money on your channel when someone buys a product using your referral link. You also maximize your YouTube presence, giving you more views, subscribers, and watch time. In addition, Amazon can feature you across their site, which helps you grow your social media presence, hence getting more followers and new customers. As long as you have the required social media platforms such as a YouTube channel and Instagram, you can sign up for the Amazon Influencer program and watch your YouTube channel blow up. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.